Hey everybody, Jodie Osofsky, Utah Key Real Estate. Thanks again for coming back to my blog. Today we're going to be talking with my friend and client, Eric Freusland, who is an estate attorney. Before we get started, I want to cover a few quick housekeeping items. The first one is, if you want to search the entire MLS for all the homes available right now, click the link right over there. And if you'd like to see what your home is worth in today's market, click the link for the free home equity report. Okay, so Eric,
Yes.
Thanks for coming this morning. I really appreciate it. I wanted you to come because I want my clients and friends to really understand how important it is to have an estate plan, no matter who you are. So we're doing things a little different this time, and he's going to quiz me and see if I know the answer. So we're going to stump Jodie.
Okay, so the first question is what do you think the purpose of an estate plan is?
The purpose of an estate plan, in my eyes, is to keep your family, loved ones, whatever, from fighting after you're gone, and potentially carrying out whatever you see people wanting, and to keep the government out of your money.
But those are a lot of the very common beliefs of what an estate plan is, but it actually does a lot more.
Okay.
Now, your will and your trust, those are what actually kind of help your family decide or kind of guide or do your things with your stuff after you've passed on, that according to your instructions. However, those are only 2 out of 5 things that are part of your estate plan. The other parts of your estate plans are your advanced healthcare directive, which is also called a living will. There is your HIPAA release forms, and then there is your power of attorneys. Now, your advanced healthcare directive is actually for you and your benefit, and it helps your family kind of, if you become incapacitated, then they can come in and follow and adhere to your wishes on what you want to happen when you're in the hospital. A lot of people seem to think that it's just either you stay alive or they pull the plug, but there's actually a real large gray area of what happens if you can't answer the questions and the doctors want to do a treatment and it's going to cause you some pain, but it's going to save your life. Do you want to go through that? So, and the HIPAA release form is something new that has come out with HIPAA, and that allows your family to get access to your medical records so they can help you kind of through those kinds of issues. So an estate plan is more than just kind of helping your family divide up your stuff. So it's also a very beneficial document for you.
Oh, wow. Okay. Yeah, I've told my family, and I mean this, if you have a traditional funeral for me, I will haunt you. Okay, next question.
Okay, so should you do your estate plan online?
I'm guessing that's a loaded question, so the answer really is no. There are a lot of websites that claim to be run by attorneys and things. There's one that advertises a lot that I can't think of the name of. I bet you know what I'm thinking of.
Mm-hmm. I do.
And you can't say it?
No.
Okay. Well, there's a common one that advertises a lot. I bet we can all kind of know what he's talking about. All right. So I would say yes, but I guess it's...
You can do your estate plan online. I would not recommend you do your estate plan online. And that is because when you're sitting down with an attorney, there may be issues that you're not going to be covering with, like the questionnaire you're going to get asked on their little website, because you're not actually ever talking to a person who can kind of say, okay, this is new, or this is unique, or in this situation, this is what we need to do. They're just going to crank out an estate plan for you real quick with really no uniqueness to it, to your situation.
No knowledge of your situation. Right. That makes sense.
When you sit down with a local attorney, they're going to be able to help you kind of structure it to your needs and your specific situation. And so it's going to be much more beneficial to not only you in your documents, but to your family later. So.
Okay, awesome.